Good morning. Is this going to show? There it goes. Good morning. Good morning. All right. Let me post this link. Well, we can get started. I should have C on. If you see up here, just because. I feel like there's some noise happening in the wall. Oh, you know, it could be vacuuming downstairs. It's like, what is that noise? I might move this over here. I'm still getting used to like my two monitors and how I should configure them. All right. No trades in the NQ 5-minute overnight. That is this right here. There was a nice smooth move up here around 1 a.m. and then a pretty smooth drop at 4, but this doesn't start until 5, so there were no trades taken. I have these little notes up on the side. You probably can only see them if you're on full screen and not on like the screen with the chat. Good morning, Andy. But I just figured I'd put some notes here. So as you can see, talking about reports that were coming out today or important things to remember and just kind of like a welcome message. So this morning, the CPI reports came out. They were much better than expected, 6.8%. Jobless claims, I'm not sure. And then we have the oil report at 10:30. So if you're trading oil, always be aware on Wednesday it has the oil report. Speaking of oil, I'm looking at right now. Oh my gosh, look at gold. I guess that CPI report. Oh, what? Gold just went crazy. 1828, it's at 58. It's up 30 points. That's insane. That's insane. It already hit like TP3. Okay, so no trades so far today. It's 9:19. The market opens in 11 minutes. I have my ES on. I put on, oh yeah, you can see it here too. I put on these golden oil charts just to kind of look at them. Not really for anything else. Look at this gold. Like, that was insane. Look how tight it was going up to there. That usually indicates MA and line wire. What? What? What, Mr. T? What the hell is line wire? What? Oh, like they're doing a deal? MasterCard? Oh, I should put MasterCard on. I don't. You know what I should also pull up is Twitter. I usually only look at Twitter when I'm like going to bed or first waking up, but sometimes it's good to have on. So I'm still in a few of my calls for this week. So they're probably, they're probably going to be pretty red this morning. Especially that Google bitch. Biatch. And I easily should have taken my profit out of Lucid yesterday because it was green at the close. I also have Visa. Well, it's actually Visa's fine. It's really just Google is down 25 points. Nvidia is down 10 points. Stuff like that. Stuff like that. Do you ever feel like you have so many things on your to-do list that they just can't? It's just like, I just want to be able to check them all off, but you can't do all of them right now, so I have to wait. LimeWire. Oh yeah, so let me see what you're talking about. I typically trade MasterCard, but I didn't yesterday. Oh, excuse me. I don't know why I'm so tired this morning because I slept. I wonder if Visa will be a sympathy play off of MasterCard. That would be fun. Yeah, 351 is serious, but yeah, I guess I'll put MA on my watch for this morning. Could probably even. Yeah, it's up at 352. Yeah, so we'll see. That is a possibility. Gold is crazy. ES and NQ. ES is just hugging the bottom of the zone, the swing zone, and Q is already below it. And Q is just kind of hanging out at the pivot, the first pivot below the central. So we'll see. Hopefully, I'm sure we'll get a more active day than yesterday. Yesterday was pretty boring. Pretty boring. Oh, I need to fix ES. Sorry. This zone is not correct. 40 is 30 there. And then 46.88. That might be in a good area. Alright, so you can see these are the swing zones. ES is just hanging at this 46.63, and Q's below. I think I need to update the top of NQ. 16.314. They're much bigger than yesterday's zones. Alright, cool. Cool. No. No. I have physical therapy for my ankle on Friday. I've never gone to physical therapy for anything I've never broken or sprained anything before, so that will be interesting. That will be interesting. NQ's already down 100 points on the day, so obviously it looks like the market's going to move lower, but I would want it to at least come back up to the range before I took. Like, that's another 60 points. before I took a short. Nicely, actually, just at 8:30 before the drop, it came and touched 63. You could see on the 5-minute, look, right here. Like, how perfect was that? Right before the report. Really should have watched this and just taken a manual short. Even if you waited until under here. What time is it? 9:26. Even if you waited till under that point, that would have been a nice drop. 16, say 130, and then it dropped to 80. That's 50 points right there. It's $1,000 per mini. $1,000. All right, no trades yet. Like I said before, I'm going to keep this NQ 5-minute on, see if we get a push. Like, this would only take a trade if we got a push to green, to the green side, so it would need to come above here and move up. Let me put the free play. Oh, I have I bought a few neon lights the other day for my workspace. Well, I got 2 so far, but I have 1 more coming on Thursday, and it's so cute. So I wanted to turn it on. All right, 3 minutes till market open. Oh, 2 minutes now. All right, I have a haircut today. It never ends, it never ends. The things to do never end. But then when I don't have anything to do, I'm always really bored, so it's fine. Oh, you had ankle surgery? That sucks. You got permabanned from Twitter. Oh my god, how does that even happen? You must really talk a lot of shit. Yeah, so I fractured my ankle like a month ago, and it's much better now. But I need to do some physical therapy. I think I just have weak ankles. do 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 do. All right, how long until the market opens? Oh, 20 seconds. Much better. Okay. Let's see what happens with these swings here. And I'm going to keep an eye on... See, I want to just move this one. All right, market's open. Oh. What were those?
Order filled.
Those are probably my Tesla. Oh no. What?
Order filled.
What filled? Oh. What? Oh shoot. I'm retarded. I knew I should have turned that off.
Order
Never
filled.
mind. It doesn't even matter. It's, do I have those orders still in there? Okay, well, I'll just wait on those. I thought they were good till cancel. I wonder, sorry, I just got distracted by that. All right, well, Visa was up, so I made some money on that, but I got out of Lucid and NVIDIA and Google, which is frustrating because Look at MasterCard. Well, we kind of like already had this in mind, but ES is coming back in the zone, so I'm going to wait on that. NQ, it needs to break the current low, which is 16,081. So we'll see if I can do that. I'll put a level on this. I guess here it says 76. Again, I'm not really looking to take the short here, but under 75, I guess I would. I'll probably give it a few minutes. ES is back to leaving the zone too. So maybe not. Oh, look at MasterCard. Alright, I got a starter position in MasterCard. Because this thing will easily run 10 points if you let it. Alright, I might look to take the short in. Yes, thank you, Jen. And they are enabled correctly. Alright, I'm taking the short in NQ under this 75. I'm trying to get it back over to the swing channel. Fucking Slack sometimes is so slow. Alright, here's TP1 here. Is that one? Oh, I just thought about that. TP2. What do we even have below here? We have a pivot at 20. Alright. That happened really fast. I liked that break of this level. And it's hard to tell on this one because the break of 76, 75, that quarter point. And then from there you can see it just dropped to 40. I probably should have been on the swing channel already. I feel like I have more conversations in the other rooms. I'm sure this NQ 5-minute won't take any trades. Oil and gold are still moving higher. Like ES, I could look to take a short in ES if it breaks the low of 46.56. But I feel like ES is holding up better than NQ. So I'm probably just going to wait. I also probably should have waited on this MasterCard pullback here to this daily level at 352.43. Instead I'm in at like 353. Oh shit, you know that's going to affect this. Amazon's red today. That's just helping my case on these. I don't know why it's affecting my button power. Alright, I might just open that and hold it for a while. All right, ES and NQ are bouncing back up. This is why I said I was going to wait on ES. NQ happened really fast. If you were able to grab the drop from 75, you got a nice few points, but now it's bouncing here. ES is pulling back up hard. So central pivots, ES is hitting the moving average right now at 67. Then we know 70 is a hard spot. That's an area we've been talking about all week. And then the central pivot is not up until 46.80 on ES. So I haven't even taken a sip of my tea yet.
Order filled.
God, that thing is so low. Like, it's so delayed. It's ridiculous. I got in that trade like 5 minutes ago, and now NinjaTrader's like, you got in the trade. Like, what? That? Wait, what did I sell this at? Yeah, Visa's up even more. Definitely should have held on that. Alright, so nothing's still here for the Algo. Still waiting. It's 9:38. I'm not running RTY. I have ES and then NQ, both in like the micro NQ and the mini NQ on range, but they don't start until they don't start until 10:40. So I remember I was trying. Oh, I think I tried tea at the Tavina store in the mall, but I never actually bought from them. Tesla's moving red to green. That's nice to see. These ones with large large spreads, you really need to put in limit orders because you can't market in that shit. But we were kind of talking about this yesterday because when I did a limit order for Tesla, it would fill me like so far away from where the actual price was. But that's because it has a big spread.
Order filled.
Oops.
Order filled.
That's so delayed. Alright, I can minimize this. Alright, so ES hit that moving average at, what was it, 67 and has pulled back. I would actually look to take a short here in the S&P 500. But Tesla's doing well, so that always worries me because Tesla's such a big chunk. And Amazon should be doing better today, but it's not. Why is this not typing? Okay. You know what I need to pull up, and I talked about this yesterday to myself, and yeah, I talk to myself a lot,
Order
is
filled.
that Tesla bounce at 987. It's back up to 1,030. I like that. I was trying to sell a few of my covered calls down at like 11 or 12, but I was distracted by all those other orders.
Filled.
Well, it's fine. I got filled at 430 yesterday on another leap, and that's up to 440, so that is good. I love to see Tesla just beasting. I don't care if my covered calls are hit in December. I do not care. I will gladly exit my position. The only thing is, then I'd have to pay taxes this year. Ugh. All right. What was I about to do? Oh, I was about to pull up. Let me go to monitor. Still nothing in the algorithm. We might get a long here if NQ can get up and above 140 and close above this level. It will take a long. It has to happen before 10 a.m. though, because that's when that stops. I don't know if that's a thing. All right, all right. December 17th. What strike do I have? 1375. Where is 1375? Oh, there it is. Copy. It's easier if I'm at my desk, if I actually watch the covered calls on the active trader side screen, because I can easily just put in a limit order this way, and then I don't have to pick up my phone and put it in and blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm good there. I might save. All right. So this is a pivot from yesterday for Tesla, the 1036. We'll see if it can get up and over that. It seems like it's having a little bit of a hard time. You know, I really wouldn't mind it. Wonder how much the premium is. $12.17 is. What about 12.3? Do they do 03? Probably, right? 97. Ooh, that's a lot. $11. What's another Friday? Well, this one. 11.12. 64, not as bad. Not as bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, that was fast. See, I like doing that too. When you see Tesla moving, just get in some weekly calls. Amazon's going green. All right, we see this NQ is moving up here. We'll see if it closes and then takes a trade. No, Jen, sorry. I got out pretty quickly. Because I got in kind of, like, I wanted to get in more at like 75. And I got in, I think, around like 70. So, you know, when it starts to get to 50, I get a little anxious. Those quarter points. Where did I just sell this at? 65.20. Oh, that's good because it pulled back.
Order filled.
Yeah, I definitely should have gotten out of some of those leaps this morning because now they're red. Because Tesla's pushing, but like I said, I'm fine with that.
Order canceled.
Look, it's getting a little better here. All right, we'll see if NQ can get up and over this level.
Order filled.
Oh, that's nice. All right, I got another push there on Tesla, so now I made like 250 on that call. I took the same call again. I just got in at a better price. It's much easier to do that on my computer. I just need to get better about knowing which expirations I want to watch because I'm really not an options trader at all. But right now I'm just on the weekly because Tesla's pushing hard, and when it pushes hard, it usually moves a good amount. And it was down, what? It's been down 400 points over the last few days, or 350. So, all right, if this candle closes above this 16,140, it will take a long. So the candle's going to close in 2 minutes. You can put this indicator on. Where is it? It's like bar countdown or something. Bar timer. So there's 47 seconds left in this candle, but it has to close above this. Sometimes it will look like it's going to, and then it pulls back really quickly at the last second, which sucks. Nice, Tesla. It's really all I need to do is just focus on Tesla. If it's beasting, then just get calls. And if it's not, just kind of let it chill and wait for a better buy position. That call is now at 70. Well, 68.90. Oh, NQ, it looks like it's not going to close over 8 seconds. We'd still have an opportunity at 9.55. Yeah, see that pullback because these are Heiken Ashi candles. So they don't close like right where it seems like it is. Amazon's green. Now it was red. And Tesla's green. Really nothing else going on yet. I don't want to know any of these. It's not till later. It's also kind of crazy because they turned into essentially short trades yesterday. And now today it's kind of pushing back up, so that kind of makes sense. So NQ still hasn't gotten up and above the, like, into the zone, which is 16,160. Tomorrow's Veterans Day. The markets are open. But just, there won't be any of those crazy reports because they did them all today. Oh, you know what I should do? I should be selling one more here. Damn, I kind of missed that. Oh, it's back up to 62. Holy hell. Alright, well,
Canceled.
I will be able to sell 2 more of these. $3,200. Well, let's see what it went up to today. Alright, we'll see if those fill. It's 16. If Tesla gets another push up, they will. Stomach hurts. Like, oh. Right. Yeah, sorry, Jen. But yeah, you know, I'm quick with that.
Order filled.
Alright, cool. So I got 2 more there for the 1375. Tesla's pushing back up. I wanted to get in at that 58, and then it was already at 62. See, now it's at 60. Alright, I'm in at 59.95.
Order filled.
See if we can get 62. Oh, that was fast. Okay. Literally, I scrolled up.
Order filled.
I scrolled up the DOM to put my sell limit at 62, and it was already at like 62.15. It's okay. So now I'm up $500 on the Tesla calls. Oh, we might really get this long here in 6 seconds. Let's see. On the NASDAQ. No, you guys, look at this bullshit. So now I'm not going to get the long because the strategy ends at 10. Even if this one closes above. God damn it, I should just take this. Now, you know where I should take it at is above 60. There is a moving average here at 58, and the zone starts at 60.
Order filled.
I'm just going to take a small position here.
Order submitted.
See if we can hold this and get above. It's a little bit of a tricky area. I wouldn't recommend this. Because it has to hold 50, and then it has to break through 58, and it has to break through 60.
Order submitted.
But if it wants to just like beast out of nowhere, that would be great. Because Tesla's pushing, Amazon's pushing. But NASDAQ kind of does what it wants. We just got another NASDAQ technicals. Look at this. 50. Oh, there it goes. 58. We got to break through that. And then like 63. See, I'm a little too close. That's a little too close for comfort, but I don't know if it's just going to keep hitting 58 and bouncing back down. So it literally touched this perfectly. Moving average is at 59. Range starts at 66. You know, the markets aren't super strong today. Like, this is a nice recovery, but they're not out here, like, blowing the water. Or whatever the saying would be. I don't know what the saying would be. All right, so it pushed through that 59. And next would be the 66 if you are in this long manually. Still no trades on the algorithm, but that's fine. If the market is just not in a good place, I wouldn't want to be in a trade anyway. And also the NASDAQ setups don't start until 10:40. So really only ES hasn't taken a trade, and this NQ 5-minute is going to be done by the time it would take a trade. So it ends at 10 a.m. Obviously, I could go into my settings and change it to 10:05 right now if I wanted to, and then it would take the long at 10:05, but I don't know if I really feel comfortable with that. The NASDAQ has been weaker than the S&P 500, so I'm probably just going to leave it as it is and not overextend myself. What was the low on this today? That would have been nice to grab those. And I even put more money in there to get more. The low was 402. It's up 50. So I guess that's... Let's see, what is it up today? 25 points no. Well, it's 10,000. Well, it's 11,000. 10,000 divided by 25 points. 400. So if I would have gotten 4 more, 400 a point. So well, just say I got 1 more at 400. 50 times 400. Oh no, it can't be that many. Oh, so maybe that's how many it is for 6. So 400 divided by 6. So 66 times 50. So each one would have been, oh my gosh, look at the NQ here, guys. Jesus. Each, if I would have gotten filled at like 400 for 4 more, they would have each been 3,300 each. Times 4, that would have been an extra 13,000. I'd be up 27 on the day. That would have been nice. You guys, look at this push. It got through 66, and now it's at the regular quarter point of 75. Congrats if you were in this long and you held. Super proud. Let me switch back to the other group. Tesla is pushing. That option is now at 67. I was in at 59. It is 10 o'clock. See how this green arrow just showed up? So that means that it would be taking a long position on this candle. But again, I didn't extend it past 10 a.m. So I'm not in this. I'm going to close this out. I don't need any FOMO. Ooh, let me look at gold and oil. If gold wants to pull back here, I'd be willing to possibly take a position because 1862. Oh, shoot. I missed that by Like 10 ticks. $1860.2. I'm in a short of gold at 1862.2 and I want to sell at 1860.2. I guess my stop would be 1864. We're bouncing off this level that it broke out at 1861. I gotta see if it can go back down and break that. What did I get filled at for those two? Was it 16? Yeah, so that's not bad. So that's 17. Again, I really don't care about those. All right, so gold is coming back down here. This is good. Let's see if we can break this 61. It's really like right at 61. And get to 60.2. This is just a random trade because I pulled this up and I saw that you're kind of reversing here on this chart. It's a little late, but we'll see if we can get back down here. It had a really big move up. So if you used, I don't even know how to use the tools in here, the Fibonacci. %, would be 59.4. So we'll see if we can get back down there. You know, I'm gonna need, oh, it's probably because, I wonder if it's because I have those other orders there. Look at oil. Oh, 1030 oil has its report. Look at this level right here on oil, 83.89. If it breaks below that, that's an easy short. Look how strong that support is. Like this area. I'm still in this gold trade, but I'm about to be out with a loss. I have my stop set at 64.2. Yes, Tesla. Yes, Tesla. There's really nothing else going on right now. I want to see if gold can break below this 83.89. Ooh. Did I say gold or oil? Oh, I'm now, because I put too many, it's not going to let me. I just realized that before. All right, we're back in the green for gold. I tried to add a second position, but the money that I sent in yesterday won't take credit for like options or futures until it actually clears. But for stocks, they let you use it right away. Come on, gold. You're almost there. You're like 1.5 points away from my TP. Go, go, go. It's got to break this like 61.6, 61.5. Here comes oil too. I could take it in this account. I have to make sure I'm on, yeah. See if it breaks this level. I'll take this short in oil. It's funny when you mainly trade the NASDAQ and then you trade something like gold or oil, which other people are like, oh, it's so volatile. And it just seems slow. All right.
Order submitted.
Wait, what? How many am I trying to take? Oh, shoot, wrong account.
Order filled.
Okay. I was on the wrong account. It didn't have enough to take that trade. Look at this. Look at how it's just sitting in zero. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so now where would I take profit? Here. Here.
Order submitted.
Let's see. Gold has almost broken down below the 61.5 several times. But it just keeps sitting there. Damn, Tesla. I definitely should. Well, at least I added one yesterday. But I would have loved to have added 4 more this morning. Amazon and Tesla both look good. Damn, that call is up to like 80. It's at 79. Was I in at 59? Is that 2,000 or is that more? It's probably 2,000. It's not like anything crazy. Oh, look at my oil trade here. So I'm still watching this gold one on my TD Ameritrade. And then I was also looking at Tesla. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go.
Order submitted.
Okay, finally gold is dropping. Gold is dropping as I would like it to. And I might move my stop down because this thing is just being quite choppy. There we go. Oil, $80, $70. I just want gold to drop. Drop to 60. Drop. Here we go. Oil, $120. I'm just going to keep trailing this down as well. All right, drop gold. Drop, 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 drop. What did it go to last time? Like 1?
Order filled.
All right, I'm out of oil. Whatever I made, $120 maybe or something. And I might get out of this gold here. I'm pulling my stop loss down. It's just kind of taking too long. I might just take a small profit or get out at break even here. All right, I'm out of gold. Small loss. That's okay. Oh yeah, so I made $100 on oil. You can see 88 to 78. It's $100. Okay, 10 ticks. $10 a tick. All right. What's going on? Oh, get the freak out of here. Do you see where gold is right now? It's at 1860.5. 1860.2. That was my TP. I'm so impatient. Well, my analysis was correct. Okay. If you stayed in that gold trade, congrats. I can remove this drawing now. All right. ES, no trades. My stock stuff, No trades. Some of them don't start till 10:30. We're in the zones for the swings. Ooh. Tesla is hitting this. Look at that, 78. Nice. Nice, nice. I'm kind of mad that it auto-closed all my other positions because they probably would have all been green now. So 4 weeks. So 12 shots. It's only $300. That's fine. All right, Tesla is still moving. Markets are still moving higher. Where's that? Oh, I took the NQ5 off. But where's NQ right now? At 16,200. And where was that entry? That entry would have been, I guess, like in the 70s. So you would have had 30 points. You would have hit TP1 on that NQ5 minute if you kept it. If you extended the time, which I did not. Because I did not. All right, it's 10:15. I'm probably just going to wrap it up here. Another pretty slow day, not many trades at all. Thanks for joining. I'll be on tomorrow at 9:15, and we can do it all again. But yeah, I'll let you know kind of how this wraps up. If you're in my group, I'll let you know how I wrap up at the end of the day, but nothing really major today. No 5-minute trades. No ES trades yet. And then the NQ setup starts at 10:40. So might get some NQ trades. We will have a trade we will have to see out of the bold range. Oh, Tesla's moving above the central pivot. That's good. How did that get over there? All right, guys. I will talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.